So, when you have no space for plants and people asking you where you will keep these plants in winter time, well, there is a solution. They are here in the coffee plant that, how I put these plants here, and so looking. Also, some plants are on the banana tree, and like a palm tree, a small banana tree, and a crassula plant, and Venus flytrap. Well, let me show the coffee beans. I did show the coffee plant, but now it's time for coffee beans. They are everywhere. As you can see, how many are there and beautiful. About 60, maybe more. That is beautiful. As you can see on all branches. Amazing.